The following segment is sponsored by Floral North America.
Sweeten the anticipation of the spookiest night of the year with chocolate and treats, crafting ideas to celebrate all month long. Lifestyle expert Meaghan Murphy is here to share her top DIY Halloween activities for a scary good time. Welcome, Meaghan. Thanks for joining us.
Yay, happy early Halloween, Sarah.
Happy early Halloween. I am a huge fan of Halloween and fall in general, so I want to talk about how you are planning on celebrating the spooky season this year.
So my friends at Floral basically challenged me to make Halloween extend beyond October 31st for 31 days of Halloween fun. And I said, oh my goodness, Halloween countdown calendar. That's exactly what we need. My kids love their advent calendars around Christmas time. How can we do that for Halloween? So I came up with this DIY project that is 31 days of treats. Each little cubby, maybe there's a baby Ruth hiding in there. Maybe it's a Kinder Bueno mini, or maybe it's a little note that says peek in the pantry, and then there's Kinder Joy eggs in there, or the fudge stripe minis from Keebler, or the Fannie Mae. I'm really into these. I'm VIP, very into pumpkin, and these are pumpkin pie spice mini pixies. Love.
Love all of that. I am also in the VIP club. I have never heard it put that way, but that's amazing. Big fan of pumpkin over here. Let's talk about some of your favorite Halloween treats and some creative craft ideas that I know you have, kind of using them.
So I'm a Butterfinger kind of gal, and when they came out with the Butterfinger skulls, it was the inspiration behind this floral arrangement. I have a technique called the vase within a vase. So I take a bigger vase, place a smaller vase inside, and then I lined it with the Butterfinger skulls. Ooh. And then put flowers, faux flowers with a little bit of a Halloween flair inside the inside vase. I also did the same vase within a vase technique for this arrangement using Tic Tac mints because they are the perfect shade of Halloween orange. And then I layered those with Mother's cookies. So these eerie critters are special for Halloween. There's bats and cats and they're orange and white. So I topped it with those and then added some fun faux fall flowers in oranges and yellows. And I like to say it's delicious decor. It looks good enough to eat because it actually is.
Very true. You were speaking my language. And I feel like part of the fun of the season is getting, your kids or our families and friends, maybe even neighbors to join in. So let's talk about how we can get them to join in on the fun.
So, my house is Halloween headquarters and everyone is always invited to the party and the party is nonstop. I gotta have sweet treats on hand, and a favorite, everybody's favorite year after year have been these Tombstone Cupcakes. So our favorite chocolate bars from Crunch, Butterfinger Fun Size, the Kinder Bueno Minis, they serve as the tomb. You take your white icing and you pipe on RIP. My kids help me make these. You put it in the cupcake and you have this tasty tomb. These are a hit. I'll bring a plate to the neighbors. If parents are trick-or-treating with their kids on Halloween night, I always have a big tray of these at the ready. Super easy to do, and everybody loves them.
So cute. Meaghan, I know your house is going to be the most popular on the block during Halloween. Really quick, where can we go for more information?
Sure. So go to FerreroHalloween.com. It's Ferrero Halloween.com. Lots more family fun, DIY ideas, and just sweet ideas to make every day of October a little bit better.
I love it. Thank you again, Meaghan. Great to see you.
You too, Sarah.